Hey everyone, today we are talking about Nova, a Telegram based trading bot on the Solana network. To get started, you may find an access code there. You will need to enter if the bot requests it. Once inside, Nova will generate your private and public keys. You can fund your wallet using these keys and export the wallet later if needed. To begin using Nova, type /start or select the start option from the menu. From there, you will see a range of features available. To buy any token, enter its contract address. You will immediately have the option to purchase it and can also adjust the slippage. Select a wallet, create limit orders, by using multiple wallets or use a sniper feature. In the main menu, you will find several useful options. Positions let you view open positions, while wallet help you manage multiple wallets within the bot. Sniper allows you to set up and manage sniper's order using a tokens contract. Limit orders displays and manages all your pending orders. Copy trade enable you to mirror the trades of another wallet on the Solana network. Nova Click a Chrome extension help you discover new tokens and trading opportunities. Referrals give you tools to manage referral links and track any reward you earn. Finally, settings let you personalize the bot to match your trading style. Finally, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.